The Western Kingbird. In this video, you'll learn about the Western Kingbird's habitat, appearance, diet, and nest qualities. The Western Kingbird's scientific name is Tyrannus verdicles. On the globe, you'll see the green area where the Western Kingbird is known to be seen in open habitats, valleys, lowlands, and open woodlands. The Western Kingbird is a large flycatcher with a large head, broad shoulders, heavy straight beak, a square tail, and a body length that measures around 24 centimeters. The Western Kingbird is an insectivore that feeds on wasps, bees, beetles, grasshoppers, caterpillars, moths, spiders, millipedes, berries, fruits, and other things of the same. The Western Kingbird will build a cup nest with a clutch size of 2 to 7 eggs once or twice a year. They like to put their nest in the crotch of a tree. Male and females will scout the location while only the females will build the nest. Now let's take a closer look at the Western Kingbird.